Hey, baby.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Come on, you always use the camera.
Because I think there's something weird in the house, not for what you are thinking.
Oh, come on. Let's show people what, home video is made for. Come on, baby.
No.
Come on over here. Come on. What the? What was that?
Don't know.
There's no way that could have closed by itself. What is going on?
Careful. What is it?
There's nothing in here.
What?
There's nothing in here. What's going on?
Do you hear that?
What is that?
That's a baby crying.
What? Babe. Hold on. Hold on. What is going on?
I think that is coming from her nursery.
Baby, hold up. Hold up, we don't... This can't be happening.
It's getting louder.
What's going on?
Someone is crying in her nursery.
Shh, baby, hold up. Hold up. Wait. The door's shut.
We never closed her door. Maybe we have to help her.
Wait, come on. This doesn't make any sense. There's no baby. There's no baby in here.
She's crying, please.
We don't know.
Oh, she's crying. Why won't it open? Why won't it open?
No. I don't know.
It stopped. What is that?
What is that?
What is that?
What is it? What?
No, babe, not so close. What is going on?
Oh, no. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here.
You want to tell me again how we're not haunted?